Hello, everyone. How are we this afternoon? Ready to do some adjective work and some trash cards or garbage or speed, whichever you want to play with them, and talking about symbols if we still need to do that. So hop aboard and we'll get started. That's not stable. Let me try. Oh, Kitty wants in. I shut the door. She's doing body slams against the door. Poor Kitty. She's lonely out there. Okay. So, great. Lily, Chloe, Leah. Great to see you guys. Thanks for checking in. Let Dylan know that. So is everybody back on? Hey, Sage. Great to see you. And Annie's on. Okay. So, did we lose something? Okay. So when everybody was copying stuff for us on that Tuesday before you picked up your packets, the English assignment got the first page was supposed to be single, and then the 272 and 74, also known as 281 in my book, were supposed to be back to back for you guys to do. But somehow in the copying process, it didn't get done. So when you get page 231 done, well, we did that this morning. And when you get page 232 done tomorrow and you get your score into me, then go ahead and glue so that 231 is showing in your journal, and that will help us. Sorry about the confusion on that. I just assumed it got copied right without looking at it. So that was kind of a bummer, but hey, it is part of our learning adventure this week. Let's see. Okay, yes, Chloe, you must have froze when I answered your question. But yes, apply and write is extra credit today. There was no math because you got grace today because it was your first time taking your test at home, and I didn't want to do tests and assignment for you guys. So you kind of got a good day, except we're going to make some trash cards. So I'm going to start with that. So I don't have any note cards at home. So I just got some regular notebook paper and I cut off the holes. And then I'm going to fold it in half, hot dog style. And then this way to make sure I get a decent line. And I'm making my cards. So when we make our cards, for instance, we need 10 cards. We're making 10 cards and 4 each of them. So you should have 40 cards that you make. If you have heavier paper like cardstock or something like that, can use, or our index cards, they make better cards by far. And then fold like this and cut that in half. My pile's getting a little thick. So you might not want to use so much paper if you don't have a big sharp knife. Scissors, you're using scissors. And we'll get our cards going here. So your choice of numbers to do need to be greater than 5. Oh, good. You did use, yep, construction paper. Oh, that's a great idea too. Super. Hi, Lucia. Good to see you. Okay, great. Yeah, sorry, guys. I don't know why it's only loading that way. Okay, so back to our card making. So I'm going to choose to do 7s. So you're going to do 7 times 1, 7 times 2. You're doing the multiples up to 10. So I'm going to make my 4 cards of 7. So I have 7, 7, 7, 7, because that is our 7 times 1, right? So what is the next number I'm going to do 4 times and make 4 cards of if I'm working on 7s? It'd be 7 times 2, right? Which is 14. Perfect. So you're going to make 4 14ths. So I have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so what would be my next number? It'd be 7 times 3, right? Which is 21. You're right again, because you guys are brilliant. Yeah, I've had coffee. Life is so much better this morning. Dylan's going to help me make the videos for tomorrow, so that's a good thing, right? He's downstairs eating tacos right now and going to take some cookies out of the oven. He made cookies. He's impressive. Okay, so we are on 7 times 4, which is 28. Yes, 28. So we'll make 4 of those. Do you guys get the hang of this now? So I'm going to go all the way up to 7 times 10, which is 70. And then that's the basicness of how you're going to make your cards. And I think everyone has played at school. So here's my cards up through there. And then I have my stack to make the rest of them. So then you're going to find a family member to play trash or garbage with you. If you can't remember how to play that, let me know and I can see if I can find a tutorial for you or something. Because I don't really have a camera that can watch us play, but that's how you make your cards. Okay, so yes, Chloe, you would make 5 times. Well, you're not doing 5, so you're going to start with at least 6s. But yeah, you do the multiples. So you're going to do whatever you have times 1, times 2, times 3, times 4, times 5, times 6, times 7, times 8, times 9, and times 10. So that'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 cards. You can always, so then on the card, we'd write 6 times 1 equals 6. Nope, you're just going to put the answers. You're just going to put whatever the answer is on here. So whatever your multiple answer, this was 7 times 4. And so we just put the number 28. How do we play with them? Chloe, did you not get a chance to do that at school? Or who? Is that a who? I think that might be a who. With your family, find a brother, sister, mom or dad, grandma, grandpa, someone who can do that. Okay? Yeah. And you set them up. If you do through the 10, you have a front row of 5 and this row of 5 more, which will equal your 10 cards. And what you want to do is get them in that order. Whatever your times 1 is, whatever your times 2 is, times 3, times 4, times 5, times 6, times 7, times 8, times 9, and times 10. So if they're using the cards that I just used with our 7s, then the card that's going to go first, you want to get a 7 there, your 14 here, your 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 7 times 9 is 63, 7 times 10 is 70. Okay, so that you're going to have them face down, and then you will have your stack of cards in between you and the other player. And you'll either, if you're the first one, you just draw the card. If you're the next person to go, you can either play the discard or draw a card, whichever you'd like to do. And you keep going until somebody has all of these flipped over in the right order. How are we doing? I don't think playing with your dog is going to work. Yeah, those opposable thumbs to pick up the card, unless you train it to pick it up in its mouth, it's not going to work. Good thought, though. Unless your dog is a genius. You know, you never know. Your dog could be that genius. You guys are so cute. Okay. Okay, so let's switch gears and go to our English lesson today. When we were doing adjectives, we were recalling our sentence structures with our subject, verb, DOs, and our subject, thinking verb, PAs, our predicate. For our first diagramming sentence, hard hailstones damage crops. Oh, did you hear the kitty meow? She really wants in. Okay, so we look at our sentence. Okay, you can see hard hailstones damage crops. Okay, so first we need to label our sentence. What is our subject? Okay, let's stay on topic, guys. Hailstones. So we'll put an S over hailstones. What's our verb? What are the hailstones doing? Yep, they're damaging. And is damage an action verb, which we'll put V, or is it one of the linking verbs? Okay, so yeah, it's a verb. And then crops is our DO. So we're going to have our line for our diagramming. And we'll put hailstones as our subject. Damage is our verb. Crops is our DO. And hard, that's our adjective. And it's describing how the hailstones are. So we're going to put capital because it's the beginning of the sentence. Hard with a diagonal line coming off of there. Okay. Excellent job, Chloe. Okay, so let's look at our second sentence. Ice balls are destructive to windows and cars. I recycled our math paper and turned it around. I need to somehow figure out some more paper sources, huh? Okay, so ice balls are destructive to windows and cars. Short-term memory, come on, you can do it. So ice balls are destructive to windows and cars. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is get rid of our prepositional phrase because we're not diagramming them at this point. So I'm going to take the two, any of those diagramming sentences. Anything at all? Doing okay? Okay, well, I will send the keys tomorrow morning so that your parents can help grade them. If you guys do have any further questions, we can do that. Or just have them dojo it to me. Sorry, I was reading to see if there's any questions. Remember, you're supposed to come with questions, guys. Work tomorrow, Chase. That's what tomorrow is for. I like your positive attitude, though, to go gettingness of it all. Don't forget, you can get in your scripture anytime this week. That would be perfect. It's Stupid Thursday for the whole month. So make sure you say it in front of your parents. How did your handwriting go this morning writing? Was that today or yesterday? It kind of blurs sometimes, huh? How did it go for your handwriting when you wrote out your verse? Do you feel like you're pretty good at it and know it pretty well? Yeah? Good. Yes, we will have a math lesson tomorrow. Dylan's going to help me tape it today so you don't have to look on how it kind of gets cut off by my phone. So he's here, camera ready, batteries charged, they're almost ready to go. So it should be a good one. Okay, guys, it looks like you are pretty good. No more questions at all. So I'm going to say goodbye for now, and I'll see you in the morning. Have a great day, the rest of your night, and until tomorrow, right? Bye-bye.